Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Today again I'm here and brought for you a beautiful science experiment. That is smoke waterfall. So are you ready for this experiment?
For this activity, we just need a glass of water, paper tape, fork and lighter. To do this activity, firstly we take a paper tape and tear a small piece of paper tape in this way. Right? Now start rolling. Now start rolling paper tape in this way. But make sure you should leave a gap while rolling a paper tape. Okay, so you have to roll a paper tape in this way. Now this stick is ready. Now take a fork and put it here in this way. Now take a glass of water and wait and light it. Now wait. See carefully. Now see the beauty of this experiment. It looks like a waterfall. Yes, this is a beautiful smoke waterfall. So now let's understand the science behind it. Why does it happen so? Actually, smoke is heavier than air, but normally floats upwards because it is hot. So hope you enjoy this activity. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.